about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back. It's time for another round of Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。快点，快点，就是我们这个月的主题了哈。How do you say that first of all? Hurry up, hurry up.
夾掉位，夾掉位。
夾掉位，夾掉位。And it seems like at a very young age, we start to hear that a lot. 其实我们从小朋友时代呢，就会常常听到这句话，因为小朋友通常可能还在玩东西啦，还没睡觉起床啊，等等要上学都要迟到了，对不对？
对。
小朋友最容易会被父母赶了，快一点，快一点啊！
上学要迟到啊！
对。Okay, so for students out there, if you're going to school and you're about to be late, maybe your parents are going to try to get you out of bed. Let's put you in that situation. 快点，快点，上学要迟到了 ！Hurry up! You're late for school.
夾掉位，
夾掉位。
佢好高，我扶唔出嚟。
佢好高，我扶唔出嚟。
夾掉位，佢好高，我扶唔出嚟。
哇，这很有妈妈的感觉。你常说哈？
没有，我不会。
佢好高。就是
上学
去上学哈，所以后告是就是学校，后告 that means 学校 that means a school and you're about to be late 要迟到了。
我扶唔出嚟，
我扶唔出嚟 ，OK that means you're about to be late 啊。好了，那你知道小朋友或学生都会拜托了，让我再睡一下。
拜托了，让我再睡一下。
That's right. You are so lazy in bed. You're gonna say, "Please, I just want more time in bed." How do you say that?
拜托，
拜托，
本挨個睡一下，
本挨個睡一下 ，OK， that means， 哎呀，再讓我睡一下了哈。
对，那拜托的海陆腔，拜托，
擺脫要擺脫什麼了？擺脫睡蟲啊。
對
，That's a different dialect for saying please, but it sounds like, oh, I want to get rid of something, right? 要擺脫什麼？但是是拜託，不行，一定要起床，對不對？不行，快起床。
做唔得，
做唔得。
夾空床，
夾空床，
趕快起床，
趕快起床。Oh, so simple and short. That just means hurry up, get out of bed. Okay, 夾空床. Let's review some of these useful phrases here, such as about to be late, 要遲到了。
我扶唔出嚟，
我扶唔出嚟。And please, 拜託，
拜託，
拜託。But your answer, of course, is 不行 no.
做唔得，
做唔得 Okay, that means no, you can't do that. And it's all about hurrying. So 我们再蕊快点快点怎么说？
夾掉位，夾掉位。
Get the way, get the way. All right, now don't be late. Hurry up, go to school, and enjoy another edition of Practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
什麼大家？
子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.